Hello everyone, welcome back to this video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about tuple unpacking and variable swap in Python. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the coding. Okay guys, so what is tuple unpacking? Tuple unpacking is a way using which you can assign each values of a tuple to a unique variable. Okay, so let me just give you an example. What are we going to do today? And so let's make a tuple first. 1, 2. Now this is easy, and you have assigned 1 and 2 in this tuple, and you can check the type whether it is a tuple or not. It is called tuple. Okay, now what you can do is x comma y is equal to a. Now this is basically tuple unpacking. Now you can check x is 1 and y is 2. Okay, now we will see what is the use of this, or how you can use it. Basically it is mainly used from when you are returning variables from another function. Okay, now let's say what are you going to do. What I am going to do is that I will make a function a comma b, and x equal to a plus b, and y equal to a minus b, and I will return x comma y. So now this x comma y is going to return as a tuple, and when I will call that 12 7 comma 5, it is showing me that 12 or 2. Now I can get those values using tuple unpacking, and I will have x is 12 and y as 2. Okay guys, so there is one more thing in tuple unpacking that you need to do, and you need to know. Let's say uh, you have a tuple 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, but here you have only two values or three values. So guys, here you saw that we were returning two values, so it was accepted in only two variables. So what happened if we tried to accept it in like one variable? It would still work, but then it would be a tuple. It has both the values. Okay, but what would happen if we have like many variables, and we have different number of variables like here? So 1 2 3 4 5, and here we have only three variables. So in this condition, what is going to happen if we do this? It will going to generate an error because too many values to unpack. So what we can do is we can use asterisk c, and basically c can hold now variable values. For example, one is going to store in a, 2 is going to store in b, and 3 4 5 is going to store in c as a list. So let's say a 1 b 2 and c is 3 4 5. Okay, so it is stored as a list. So now guys, this was all about tuple unpacking, but in Python there is a best way to swap variables. So let me just talk about it. Like if you were in other language, so what would you do is you will create a like x is equal to temp equal to x. Now x equal to y, and y equal to temp. You would do this, but in Python you don't have to do this at all. What you can do is x comma y is equal to y comma x, and your values got replaced like x comma y. If I say so, first at first let me just rub it. So at first we had x, in x we had 12 comma 2, and in y we had 2. Now we have 2 in x and 12 comma 2 in y. So this was swap variable swap in Python. So guys, this is it for this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.